it out.
New kid in the valley, just trying to fit in. From Jersey to Cali, where the fight begins. Met a girl, caught a stare, caught a fist from the past. Cobra Kai don't show mercy, they strike fast. Bike on the ground, face in the sand. But then came a man with a calm in hand. Said balance, Daniel said, it's more than a stance. Started waxing the floor, took a warrior's chance. Sweep the leg, they said, but I stood tall. Paint the fence, feel the strength, I won't fall. From no chance to the all-valley floor. Crane kick, I am not afraid anymore. Crane kick, I am not afraid anymore. Late nights, bruises, lessons in disguise. Wax on, wax off, open my eyes. Chased by the bullies, trapped by my doubt. But Miyagi taught me what fighting's about. Caught in the storm of my teenage rage. But he showed me peace, wisdom with age. Trimmed a bonsai, kicked the fear aside. Chose honor over pride, with him as my guide. Sweep the leg, they said, but I stood tall. Paint the fence, feel the strength, I won't fall. From no chance to the all-valley floor. Crane kick, I am not afraid anymore. One focus, heart like fire. Training in silence, rising higher. Johnny struck hard, the crowd held their breath. But one clean kick flipped the script on death. Now I'm more than the boy you broke down and cried. I'm the kid who stood strong with the storm inside. From bully to bold, I wrote my fate with the crane kick soul and a warrior's grace.